Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix apps if it's not opening in Windows 11. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, let's just go ahead and open up our search bar and type down system updates, like so, and just click on check for updates. In here, you're going to want to click on check for updates. If there are available updates, just like here, just click on download and install. And then once done, it will require you to restart your computer. Well, don't restart your computer yet. Go ahead and go to advanced options right here and click on optional updates. And here you'll have a ton of updates as well. So just basically install all right here, and once done, restart your computer. Okay. And once that's done, once your computer boots up, go ahead and go to the bottom right. On your taskbar, right-click on date and time and click on adjust date and time. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, make sure that your region is set to the correct region right here. Okay? And once done, just go back and here enable set time zone automatically and set time automatically. Enable it. And then once done, go ahead and click on sync now. All right? After that, go ahead and restart computer and check if it helps. Now, if that still will work, go ahead and find the problematic app. Let's say, for example, that the application is Notepad. All right, so go ahead and go to your search bar and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. Now, go ahead and find Notepad. Like so. As you can see here, I have two. I'm just going to go ahead and select one, click on three dots, and click on advanced option. Now, in here, just go ahead and click on terminate first. Okay, terminate, and then click on repair. Wait for it, and once that's done, go ahead and open up the app. If it works, well, you're good to go. If not, just click on reset right here. All right, click on reset, and after that, everything should work perfectly fine. Now, that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.